Hi guys, welcome back to part 3. Time to take the sponge out the oven. The easiest way to know if the sponge is cooked is press it with your finger. If it bounces back, it should be ready. And then another method is take a knife, stick it in. The knife comes out clean, the sponge is ready, but always go for the centre. The centre as well, the most. And then it's time to cook, to cut. Oh, the smell. I should really let it settle, well not settle, but cool down, but it's that good, I just can't wait. Then you just take a bit. Oh my. A glug of the sauce, and then a dollop of ice cream. Just move this a bit, get a bit of a spoon. You've got to love it. You've got to try it. Honestly, you'll love it. So guys, please, if you like what you've seen, hit the like, hit the follow, hit the share, and even save it to your favourites if you want. So I know what I'm going to wait to do. I'm going to have some of this and get it into my belly. Right, thanks guys. Come back for more.